remove the engine cover. You basically just lift it up. There's no screws. All there is these little tabs right here. These pins which go in here. And that's all. When you put it back, you gotta align them all up again. Next, you need to disconnect the ignition coils, which you have 1, 2, 3, 4. They have this locking tab that needs to be pulled out. And there you broke that one. And once you do pull them out, what you can do is you just press right there and pull them out. So basically you press and pull them out like that. Right here we have the fourth one. Use a 10mm socket to remove these bolts. Once the bolt is removed, you can go ahead and pull the ignition coil up. So at first, if it doesn't come out easily, like this one just did, what you need to do is twist it a little bit, twist the ignition coil like that, and then try to pull it out.